everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on crypto basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to buy DAI on your Trust Wallet account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to buy a DAI, first of all, go ahead and tap on your Trust Wallet app, and then you will be entered in the home screen of your Trust Wallet application. Now all you have to do is go ahead and tap on search and then type a DAI. Now you will be available with several options. I wanna buy DAI of a Polygon one, and then I'm gonna go tap it. You can choose yours and then tap on the option. Now all you have to do is go ahead and tap on buy, which is in the top fourth option. Now you'll be seen with the value of your crypto. You can always change your currency by tapping on the little flag which is at the top, and then choose your currency just like that. Now go ahead and tap on buy with credit card. Now you will be entered in a different website where it will ask for your credential, just like email address. So go ahead and tap on the box of email address and provide them with your email address, whichever you used to create your Trust Wallet account. Now go ahead and tap on the box of country of residence, and then go ahead and check in the two box of terms and conditions, and then you're good to go. Go ahead and tap on submit my verification, and then in the next page you will be available with the option of buy. So that's how you can easily buy your DAI on Trust Wallet account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback. Press. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.